Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you few ways to turn off or restart your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, or 17.8, doesn't matter which 17 you have. Methods will work on all of them. So, actually the first and easiest way is use the side button and volume up button, and you will see this light power off. Just do it, and then just turn it back on using the side button, and that's how you do it. That's how you restart or turn off your iPhone. And the second way is you can do it through settings. Go to settings, and here go to general, and in here you see the shutdown button just all the way down here. Tap on it, and this will shut down your iPhone. And that was the second way. The third way is actually through the AssistiveTouch. Now, I don't have the AssistiveTouch here, but you can enable it. Tap on accessibility in the settings, and in here, tap on touch and an assistive task. Tap on the AssistiveTouch. When you do that, you will see this option here. Tap on it. Just tap on device and tap on more, and you will see your restart option. And this will restart your iPhone. And that's it. These are three ways you can use them to turn off or restart your iPhone 17. Doesn't matter which 17 you have. So, thanks for watching.